this is the battery strap. It's two-part design. The buckle just comes out. So buckle comes out like this, and you have to print this separate and the strap separate. I printed both this buckle and the strap on my Ender 3. This strap is printed with TPU 95A, and the buckle I printed with ABS. You know, people might think Ender 3 can't print ABS, but I can guarantee you, if you use Prusa slicer and you use this ABS profile, I've tweaked it a little bit, but if you need this, let me know in the comments. I'll give it to you, this profile. If you use this profile, I guarantee you 100% success printing ABS. Same goes for the TPU. If you use the right settings, you can print this strap really nice and easy. Even these little pins, they're close to each other. They have a very certain angle. They have to be printed, otherwise they're not going to interlock properly. Paid with Prusa slicer, and the 3 does a really good job. With the settings I use on my Prusa slicer, it takes 15 minutes to print this buckle. And it roughly takes 54 minutes to print this one.